we're gonna make our Romesco sauce. So we got our roasted peppers over here. We have some toasted almonds.
They look great. I just want to snack
They're
on
delicious. They're just dry toasted.
these. Already skinned though.
We got some roasted tomato paste here.
That's an interesting ingredient, the roasted tomato paste. So you just throw it on a sheet pan and roast it?
Exactly.
Straight out of the can?
Yeah, so we have like a salamander. You can do it in a broiler. You can do it in a saute pan, just to
Okay.
get a little color, make it nice and fragrant.
Awesome.
It's like,
Nice and caramelized.
yeah.
Really brings out all that flavor.
Gives it some personality.
There you go.
And then we got some vinegar and some roasted garlic and salt and olive oil. And we'll start making our Romesco.
So this is a classic Spanish sauce.
Exactly. So it could be made with tomatoes. It's you know, it's usually
Lots of
made
different
with
versions.
lots of different versions.
Yeah.
This is my favorite version.
Okay.
You gotta buzz the nuts first.
Okay.
Very important. Very, very important. If you don't, you'll understand why. Because you'll never get them ground
All right, gotta buzz the nuts
enough.
first.
Exactly. So we're just gonna pulse them a couple times.
Now, do you want to get them sweet or you want to retain the texture?
You definitely want a little bit of texture. If you hold it down too long, it'll turn into almond butter,
There you go.
which is delicious, but
Not what we're going for.
maybe next episode.
Yeah.
We'll do my favorite morning snack. Okay, and then we're gonna take a mixing bowl. All right. So now put the almonds in there.